It's the end of August and this thing is really leaking now. So this evening I'll try one more time to patch it. The lady that lives here and I have been watching on Craigslist looking for a new sand filter housing, thinking this one won't make it. But we'll see what I can do tonight with some JB Weld. Today I'm back for round 3. I had tried this thing in my second video and it was leaking right at the top of the washer. You can see it kind of blew up in here. And when you look down into the vessel, the sand is displaced on this side. I don't know if you can see that very well, where the leak was, and then there's a pile on the other side. But what I'm doing this time is I'll take a look at the patch right here, and I'm going to remove this thing, and I'm going to go with a mechanical approach. I'll show you. I got this little lighted mirror at Family Farm and Home for $3. We'll see how this does. So if we look in there, I don't know how well it shows up in the picture, but I can see pretty well. I'm not sure exactly what the issue is, so I'm just going to replace the whole thing. I just put a vice grip on the outside, and I can turn this thing. And then on the inside, I put a piece of paper towel to catch the JB Weld that's going to fall. You can see that screw head coming out. Then I just took this little screwdriver, stuck it under the edge of the washer, and tapped that. That's what the bottom of the washer looked like. So now I'll grind this off a little bit and figure out what I'm going to do exactly for a mechanical solution. Since you're with me on this video, I wouldn't be surprised if you have a piece of mud flap in the barn, just like I did. So I decided to use this mud flap material as my patch. And what I've done is I made a square for the outside here, and there's a matching square on the inside. And I'm going to go mix up a batch of JB Weld, and I'm going to peanut butter that thing like it's the best sandwich I've ever made. I'm going to tighten it down, and I'll have my patch on the inside, patch on the outside, and we'll see if it holds. If not, I found a guy on eBay that has a brand new sand filter like this with a valve on top for $200. He's the next step. It's about 90 degrees today, so I tried to wait until the sun was down. I came out here in the shadows, now the sun's out again. But anyway, this is what my patch looks like before I install it. Now I'll go mix up some JB Weld and see if I can make the best sandwich ever. And prior to applying the JB Weld, I took the grinder and I just scuffed this up, so I should have good adhesion with the JB. This is what the area looks like, prepped for the glue job. So I cranked this thing down with a ratchet here on the outside, and I had a Phillips head screwdriver on the inside, and I put JB Weld on there like you're putting cheese whiz on a cracker. So it's pretty thick. It's about 90 degrees out here right now, so this stuff is setting up quickly, but I'll continue putting her together. Now I also tightened this collar on. It's a little two-piece deal. It just gets screwed on there. But I tightened this down so right here the collar is tight to the patch I just put in. So that should help seal it up too. Well, we'll see what tomorrow brings. Maybe this one's the key. And the epoxy product I'm using for this job is JB Kwik Weld. As I said, it's probably 85 degrees and high humidity, and that stuff's set up in a hurry. It's the morning after, and this is what my patch job looks like. Now I'll check the inside. Now I'll put it together and see if it leaks. Well, the initial reaction looks like success. We'll give it some time, see if this thing leaks, or if it's going to be happy and complete. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this idea helped you, and have a great day.